In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a button change its color on hover in Tilda.cc, and we'll achieve this in just 5 minutes. Let's dive straight into the process. First off, open your preferred web browser. Once you have that up, type Tilda.cc into the search bar. Make sure you click on the correct link to get started. Once the Tilda.cc website is open, you'll need to log into your account. Enter your credentials to gain access to all the tools we need for this task. Once you're logged in, navigate your way to the specific project or page where you want the button hover effect to be applied. Locate the button you're planning to modify. With your button in view, look towards the left side of your screen. You'll notice a settings icon. Go ahead and click on that. This will open up the button's settings panel where we can make the necessary adjustments. Now that you're in the button's settings, direct your attention to sections that pertain to colors or styles. Tilda is designed to be user-friendly, so you should find these easily within the panel. As you explore these options, keep an eye out for the Hover section. This is the key area where we're able to customize the appearance of our button as it reacts to mouse movements. In the Hover section, you'll notice options that allow you to change various color properties. You'll be able to set the background color to something that stands out or complements your design when users hover over the button. Similarly, there's an option for changing the text color. This is great for maintaining text visibility and ensuring your message is always clear and readable. Finally, there's a setting for the border color, offering yet another layer of customization to your button's behavior. Take a moment here to experiment with various color combinations. This is your opportunity to get creative and make sure that your button aligns perfectly with the theme and appeal of your page. Once you've decided on your preferred colors, it's crucial to make sure you save your changes. Look for the Save option. It could be a button or a simple action within the Tilda interface. Confirm that your new settings have been applied successfully. And there you have it. Your button on Tilda.cc is now set to change its color on hover. This small but effective modification can significantly enhance user interactivity and improve the overall aesthetic of your website. We hope you found this tutorial informative and easy to follow. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on enhancing your web design projects. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy designing.